Hello, good afternoon. My name is Silo Juliana Mantilla Cárdenas. I am 24 years old and I am studying a degree in foreign languages with emphasis on English. And I am going for semester. I will now answer a few questions. Question number 1. What was the concentration of material development decades ago? For many decades, material development was merely the production accompanying a wide range of learning resources to illustrate methods. Question number 2. What does developing material and demand from teachers? 1. Fostering board and group learning activities. It is useful for sharing information, comparing with their learning of other, enhancing content to subject learning and development assessment belonging to educational institutes and classmates. 2. Willing to devote time to teach with laughter. It is important because it helps motivate students by creating a different perspective on learning. 3. One point of minimizing difference and maximizing similarities among students. In this demand, must be applied in the classroom in order to generate equality among the students who do not feel less because they do not know more than those who learn faster. 4. Ready to innovate in their teaching practice. Teachers must innovate in their class so that their students do not feel that everything is the same and can cause the motivation. 5. When price ASS and campaigns to perform tasks in different ways. It is why to show that what seems difficult is easy when we look for different ways to do it. 6. Willing to take and make teaching decisions. To make learning decisions is so assume the role we chose to be a teacher and to take on all that professional entails. Question number 3. What are the components of creating and adapting didactic learning material? 1. To help students develop self-confidence. 2. Be perceived as relevant and useful by the student. 3. To facilitate the student's self-investment, which helps the student make efficient use of resources to facilitate self-discovery. 4. To direct the student conscious of subsidies attention to linguistic characteristics so that they become aware of the gap between a particular characteristic of their mother tongue or first language and the target language. 5. Allot a period of silence at the beginning of instruction in until students have gained sufficient exposure to and confidence in the target language to understand it. 6. Make an impact through novelty, variety, attractive presentation, and engaging content. In your opinion, what is the principal role of the teacher when designing language learning materials? Okay. In my opinion, the language teacher when creating material for his or her class must take into account the type of subject to be dealt with and the different learning methods presented by his or her students. To this end, her or she must be a research teacher who will get to know each of his or her student and be able to identify their advantage and disadvantage with the language. And it is very important that is your activity to promote an interest in the language that show a simple and easy way to learn. Thank you.